Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
We had a couple different rounds of thunderstorms move through the area throughout the earlier part of the day today, and now still a few scattered thunderstorms off to the south and east. The initial line came throughout the middle morning and early afternoon, and this ended up actually laying down an outflow boundary to the south, and that became the focus of the additional thunderstorm activity that is still going on for many spots down to our south and to our east. However, most of us in the state line have since cleared out, and a few minor updrafts were trying to go up to the north and west, but we're not allowed to with a lot of the drier air and still some warmer air in the lower levels that almost cut them off. But we still at least hold on to a chance for a couple of scattered thunderstorms here late into the evening, and especially once we get toward the overnight hours. Not a whole lot ongoing, but we are dealt with the overcast skies that we see in Rochelle. Not a whole lot of activity there with as far as rain falling either, but the temperatures there are a little bit on the cooler side, down to 73 degrees, including 71 in DeKalb. Meanwhile, we're in the 80s to the north, 81 in Rockford, 82 in Janesville, 79 Freeport, and 80 degrees in Monroe, Wisconsin. Weather watcher Terry in Genoa back in the 70s, 73 degrees, 69 for his dew point, winds out of the southeast around 7 miles per hour, and 0.2 of an inch of rain for him. We again maintain the chance for a couple of scattered chances for thunderstorms here into the late part of the evening and even early overnight hours. Down to 66 for the overnight low, pretty similar to where those dew points currently lie. Scattered storms mainly early into the overnight, but eventually drying conditions as we head toward early tomorrow morning. Unfortunately, it does not last very long as we once again have widely scattered storms returning for tomorrow. Temperatures returning back to around 80 degrees. This will be along a slow-moving cold front that will sweep through the area during the earlier part of the day tomorrow. Initially, though, we will see that warmer advection thunderstorms developing here into the night tonight. A few pockets of some thunderstorms, but mainly widely scattered showers. A chance early tomorrow morning, but we do have some dry hours for the afternoon, followed by the return of, again, those widely scattered showers and storms once we get into the afternoon and evening hours. I do think that we will see a bit more than what Futurecast has suggested, but mainly going to be seeing quite a few dry hours even during the afternoon there as we head into Monday afternoon and early Monday evening. Now we have to turn our eyes to the south and into the tropics, where now Tropical Storm Beryl is still making its way up toward the coast of Texas, going to be making landfall likely as a Category 1 storm. But if we look at the future track of this storm, it actually ends up coming fairly close to our region as we head toward the later part of the week as a tropical depression, much more weaker than what it will be making landfall as, but nonetheless still could bring some heavier rains our direction. Futurecast Extended does show that next round of showers moving in as we head toward Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, the heaviest of which is going to remain off to our south and to our east, but some of our southeastern counties may end up picking up multiple inches of rain if we see some of those tropical bands of rain working their way closer to the region. We may have to watch the potential for flooding in some of those areas that pick up some of the more heavier bands of rain, but nonetheless it will be at least bringing more overcast skies in that Tuesday to Wednesday time frame before we start to clear out toward the end of the week. Scattered storms for the next few days, isolated storms early Tuesday, but then Beryl's moisture brings us some of the more widespread rain showers Tuesday night into Wednesday before we dry out for the end of the week. But that also does come with temperatures back close to 90 degrees a week from now.